Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to unbox this flying spinner and the flying ball, and also going to teach you how to do some cool tricks with this flying spinner. Okay, without wasting any time, let's unbox this. Okay, let's unbox this blue spinner. These all are the same. There is only the difference is the color. Okay, let's keep this black and red aside and let's unbox this blue first. Okay. Here's the razor and let's cut its tape and let's open it. Okay, as you can see, it's pretty basic. The same. Here's the cone and the charger and the flying spinner. As you can see, it's a bit different than this. It has a small bottom, but it has a big, so there is a small difference. So let's see how it flies, and let's keep these aside as well. Okay, now let's turn this on. And okay, this is a bit nice quality, and as you can see, it is very powerful as well, as you can see. Okay, let's turn it off for now. Let's keep it aside and let's unbox this as well. It's also the same color, so I'm only unboxing one. As you can see, it is in pink color. It's looking very bright and beautiful, as you can see. And inside the box, here is its remote and charger and also the manual. Okay, let's put this all inside and just focus on this spinner because they are the main character of this video. Okay, let's keep this razor and the both spinner aside as well, and now let's turn this bad boy on. Okay, to turn this, just you need to press this button. As you can see, there is a small button, just you need to press it and it will turn on, as you can see. And it's a bit difficult to control, but I'll show you how to fly it properly. Okay, as you can see, it's a bit difficult. So to turn it off, it's very simple. It's simpler than the flying spin. Just you need to press it like this. As you can see, you don't need to press any button, just you need to press it like this and it's turned off. Okay, now let's turn it off. Okay, so that's all. Okay, at first let's learn how to fly this. Okay, you just need to turn on this spinner and it will automatically, and you need to throw it in this 45 degree angle, this 45 degree angle, like this. As you can see here, you need to throw it like this. I'll show you in the video as well. Okay, let's turn it off for now. And to fly this flying ball, let's turn it on first, and to fly it in the spinner you need to throw it 45 degree. Okay, but in this flying ball you don't need to throw it 45 degree. You can only tilt slide a bit and throw it. I'll show you in the video as well. Now I'll show you how to fly this flying spinner. First you need to turn this on and throw it in this 45 degree angle, like as you can see. Throw it and it will automatically come back, as you can see. It's very simple. Okay, that's the one trick. And another is this. Just you need to push it from your palm like this. It's very simple, like you see. And for another cool trick, you need a rubbery surface like this and toss your flying spinner like this and slap it, and as you can see, it will automatically come back. Once again, and it will automatically come back, and throw it. And yeah, and another cool trick is toss it your flying spinner like this and push it from your leg, and it will automatically come up. It's a bit hard, but after some practice you can do it as well, like this. As you can see, it's very simple. And throw it. That's all. Now I'll show you how to fly this flying spinner. First, let me turn it on. And to fly this, for flying spinner you need to throw it in 45 degree angle, but in case of flying ball you just need to throw it straight like this. You just need to throw it straight and it will automatically come back. Okay, it's turned on, and let's throw it again. You just need to throw it straight like this and it will automatically come back, as you can see. and it feels very satisfying because it will come back slowly, not like flying spinner like this. And another cool trick is like this. You can throw it like a flying spinner in your palm like this. It's very simple and very satisfying as well. So that's all.